welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. Now I'm gonna act a little weird on my camera if you guys watch my Walgreens haul. My camera right before I started filming said I needed to change the batteries. It says I need to change the batteries. I changed them again. I don't know what's going on, but this is my old camera that I use. So right now I'm using my little handheld, the one that I do vlogging and stuff with. But this is my camera that I usually film my videos in. And this is how I see myself. But right now I can't see myself, so I have my little portable camera and I have to have a mirror behind it. So if I act a little weird, I'm sorry, or if I keep going to the side, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to see if everything looks okay. So now I'm in the middle of trying to find a new camera because that's what I need the most. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. Now I did go right to the clearance section of CVS and I got some 90% off stuff. So, but I did get a lot of stuff where I'm going to actually do a second video for you guys. So you guys definitely want to check out that haul. But the candy is still 75% off, but the Christmas decorations and stuff just turned 90. Now I wanted to get a couple things and I'm like, nope, I don't need it. I don't need it. I'm really trying to cut back on a lot of stuff. Now, gift bags I bought a lot of because I needed that stuff because I said I needed it. But with decorations and ornaments and all that crap, I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. So definitely check out that if you guys are interested. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. Now, I think CVS was kind of slow this week. Some other people might have other deals. I just wasn't prepared to go couponing this week. I kind of just figured it out at the last minute. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. One thing I'm pretty excited to get is shampoo and conditioner. I really like to stock up on a lot of that stuff. Now I don't need it, but I like to stock up on it. But the first deal I did get is the Crest Toothpaste. Now these were $3. There's a $1 off digital coupon that you guys can use that we just got, or that you guys can clip to your card. You guys would pay $2 for this tube of toothpaste, but then you guys will get $2 back in an ECB, making it free. And I did it with both of my cards because I can. I really like this toothpaste. This is one of my favorite toothpastes, so ended up getting the Crest with scope. Now I also did the St. Ives deal and I did the Vaseline deal. So we got 2 Vaselines and 2 soft scrubs. Now these are on sale for buy one get one 50% off for $4.69 a piece. So you guys got $4.69, $4.69, $4.69, $4.69, but one of them's buy one get one free or buy one 50% off. So basically 2 of them equal $4.69. If that's confusing, do the math. But I used a 3 off of 2 St. Ives coupon and then 2 of the 2 off coupons. My store was trying to tell me you can only use 1. I says, no, you guys can use 2 per transaction. It just says you can only get 1 coupon per product. And she's like, no. And I'm like, no, that's how it is. I know they don't want to get in trouble, but that's how it is. I've never had problems before. I don't know if they're just cutting back on that, but we got that going on. I thought I had a CRT for 2 off of 10 or 3 off of 10, but I had to spend $10 worth of Vaseline, and it wouldn't work in my favor because you can only use 2 of those coupons. Plus, I only bought 2 of them, so that was like $6 or $7, so it wouldn't have worked out. But you guys would pay $7.07 for all 4 of these, but then you guys will get $4 back in an ECB, making it $3.07 or just 76 cents a piece. Now, you guys also want to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You guys will get $4 or 46 cents for every item that you buy. Now, the thing is, it caught the soft scrub, but it didn't catch the Vaseline. So when you guys submit your receipt, if it doesn't pop up on there, you can actually correct your receipt and fix it. I also had to fix the price on them because it says that it's one price and it's not. So Fetch Rewards is my second favorite app. It's actually an app where you just scan your receipts and you get points. It's a pretty fast way of getting points. I love it. If you guys are interested in joining Fetch Rewards, I do have a referral link below. You guys will get $2 once you guys join. That's or 2,000 points, which is equivalent to $2, and you guys can redeem as little as $3. Now, since it's the beginning of the year, you guys can always save up to get gift cards for Christmas time. That's what I do. I save a lot of my Fetch Reward points to save up for Christmas. So there's that. There's no team. You guys can just click the referral link. They just added a ton of new items, so go through there, look for brands, look for stuff. You guys could be missing out on a lot of stuff, but I always scan my receipt anytime I go to Walgreens, Target, Walmart, CVS, and the grocery store. I always scan my receipt on that app, and I always get points. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. That's some freebie points for that. Now I ended up doing the shampoo and conditioner deal. Now I did this with both of my cards because this was a deal that I could not pass up and I really wanted to do it. So let me share with you guys what I got. Now there's a deal where the Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7 or the whole blend, so it's one or the other. So I have two cards, so I did the Garnier Fructis with one card and I did the whole blends with the other card. So these are 2 for $7. You guys want to use that 3 off of 2 coupon that we got in our Sunday's paper from a couple weeks ago. You guys would end up paying $4 for this, but then you guys will get $3 back, making it $1 or 50 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. Now I did go to CVS earlier last week, or later on last week, to do this deal with my CRTs that I had, and I did not know that they had a better deal this week. Not a big deal. I'm still fine. I stocked up on shampoo and conditioner. But the cashier I went to a totally different store, and she was just dumb. It was just like, oh my gosh, she just did not understand what I was saying. But anyways, that's why I don't shop at certain stores. So for $1, we got that. Then I ended up doing the Swab deal. The Swab shampoo and conditioner deal is 2 for $6. I used 2 $1 off coupons that we got in last week's paper. So I paid $4 for both of these, but then you guys would get $2 back, making them $2. But I would never spend $2 or $1, was it? Yeah, $1 each on Swab. It's an okay deal. I would not usually do that. And then the Loreal is buy 3, you get $8 back in an ECB, an extra care buck. So these are $4.99. I used a 4 off of 2 coupon, and I used $1.50 off of 1 coupon that we got in our past Sunday's paper. So you guys use that. You guys would end up paying $10.47 for the 3 of these, but then you guys will get $8 back in an extra care buck, making it $2.47, which is 82 cents a piece. So that's an okay deal. But there was a better deal. If you guys don't have to buy all these, you just have to make sure it equals up to 18 bucks. So, I mean, even doing just the Garnier and the Loreal, it's still $18, but I wanted to do Swab. I don't like some of those coupons going to waste. I feel like I haven't been using a lot of my coupons as much, so I like to get as much coupons as I can. But you guys buy all 7 of these, okay, all 7. And you guys also use that 4 off of 18 any shampoo and conditioner. You guys will get everything for $14.47, which is an okay deal. That's like $2 a piece. But then you guys will get $13 back in ECBs. That's 3 for the Garnier, 2 for the Swab, and then 8 for the Loreal. So that comes out to be $1.47 for all 7 items, or just 21 cents a piece. And I will take it for 21 cents a piece. So I did that deal with one of my cards. And then I did the same deal with my second card, but instead of buying the Swab shampoo and conditioner, I actually did the Swab hairspray. And then instead of the Garnier Fructis, I did the whole blends. But I still did the Loreal shampoo and conditioner. So that, you know what, I don't want to pass deals up like that. I have not gotten shampoo and conditioner in such a long time. So I just wanted to stock up on that. But I think for $1.47 for all that stuff, that is an awesome deal. Then the last item I got at CVS. Now I didn't want to do this deal. I wasn't super excited about this, but I ended up getting the Blade for Men, the Torque. Now this is the CVS brand razors. These were $4.99 a piece. You pay $4.99, but then you guys will get $4 back in an ECB, making it 99 cents. So I just got it just because I thought, you know what, for 99 cents for razors, that's a pretty decent deal. And I haven't gotten razors for a while, so that was that. But yeah, that was my haul with my I only did 2 transactions with one card and the other card. So with my old card, my total came to 53 cents. I ended up using $23 of ECBs, but I ended up receiving 19 back. So I did take a loss, but hey, I actually just paid 53 cents. I'm happy about that. So that total technically came to $4.53. My other card, I came to $4.94. I ran out of ECBs, but hey, that's still a good price. I used $17, but I received $17 back, making it $4.94. If you combine both transactions together, I got 21 items at $9.47. That comes out to be 45 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. Plus, you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. Now, I also use Receipt Hog and Receipt Pal. I should do an updated video for that. But those are apps where you guys just scan your receipts and you guys get points. And I've been using that app before I even started doing YouTube. So I will show you guys an updated video more what goes on as time goes on. But yes, that was my CVS haul. Hope you guys can check out my 90% off CVS Christmas haul. I'll be shooting that over later today. But again, thanks for watching and see you guys all later. Bye-bye.